Step one, wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, wake up, I'm gon' face. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparations. I just feel good, move, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control, and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought as in concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Life should be with it. I live life for the fight. Yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight. Always have a vision. I don't fly at night. I be in my feelings, but my feet fine. Need time and I'll still be with it.
Negative thoughts, poison and rock from the heathens. Got head full of flies, so here come the cloud. Reason that they wanna never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience, one day at a time. It's how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.